everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys coupons that are coming out this Sunday. I'm debating if I want to get coupons or not. I know I will probably only get like, I don't know, probably a quarter of this, but there are some good decent ones coming out. So what I end up doing is I just Google coupon inserts for the whatever date, the Sunday, so it's going to be March 24th. It looks like we're just getting one insert, Smart Source. So here we're getting a 3 off of 1 Allegra, 5 off of 1 Allegra, Arm & Hammer, 1 off of 1, Banana Boat, 2 off of 1, Bertolli, 75 cents off of 2. Here we are getting Cadbury's, 1 off of 3, or the Reese's multi-pack eggs. Now there's also deals at Walgreens that we can combine those with, so there might be some good deals with that. Clairol, 3 off of 1. Clairol, buy one natural, get one free. Again, buy one, get one free. More Clairol. Here we're getting Dole, $1 off of 2. Gold Bond, $1.50 or $1. Gum, Flossers, what? $1 off of that. Hawaiian Tropic, Hershey's, $2 off of 3. Carousel, Nabisco, Nasacort, Pepper Vision, Quaker, Sally Hansen, Similac. I do know, I thought we were also getting a soft soap. That's not popping up either. Lately, like, these inserts have been going weird, so. But we are getting a Quaker coupon, $1 off of 2. I never get those. Sally Hansen, Similac, Super Pretzel, and Zyzol. So I got these from SundayPaperCoupons.com. There's no retail me not, and it doesn't look like there's a P and G. So just want to give you guys a heads up. I don't know, I feel like we're missing some coupons, so I'm going to have to figure out what we're getting, but I do know that there is soft soap coming out. I think it's a 75-cent off coupon for that, possibly. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and you guys have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.